Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on some applications of trigonometry, we are still going to see few more questions. This is the part 10. Previously we have uploaded 9 parts and the links of all these 9 parts are provided in the description box below. I request you to go through all these 9 parts so that the idea of the questions that are asked in the examination that you will understand, and how to deal with such question, that clarity will be there in your mind. Now friends, this is the part 10 and we will see the first question of this episode. Friends, here is the question on the screen. Two men on the either side of a temple 25 meter high observes the angles of elevation of the top of the temple to be 30 degree and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two men. Friends, two men P and Q are standing on the either side of the temple, means one is on this side and the other is on the other side of the temple, and AB is a temple whose height is given as 75 meter. And the angle of elevation of the top of the temple for P person is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the temple for the Q person is 60 degree. So this angle of elevation is 30 degree and this angle of elevation is 60 degree, and it has been given to you that the height of the temple is 75 meter and you have to find the total distance between the two men which are standing on the either side of the temple. Now friends, here we will see that triangle ABP is a right angle triangle and triangle ABQ are the right angle triangle. These two right angle triangles we have, and with the help of these two right triangles we can find the distance between the two men, that is P and Q. So here first we will take the triangle ABP. So in triangle ABP we have tan 30, that is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon PB, AB upon PB, that is AB upon PB, that is 75 upon PB. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to AB is 75 meter, so it is 75 upon PB, and therefore cross multiply and we will get PB, that is equal to 75 root 3 meter. So we have got this distance as 75 root 3 meter. This distance we have got as 75 root 3 meter. Now with this triangle we can find BQ. So similarly in triangle ABQ, in triangle ABQ, here we have tan 60, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB and the adjacent is BQ, so AB is 75 upon BQ adjacent, and therefore tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3, so it is root 3 which is equal to 75 upon BQ. Cross multiply and you will get BQ which is equal to 75 upon root 3. So here PB you have got at 75 root 3 and BQ you have got at 75 upon root 3, and we have to find PQ. This PQ is what? PB plus BQ. So I solve the remaining part here. So that will be PQ, PQ, that is equal to PB plus BQ, PB plus BQ, and which is equal to PB is 75 root 3 plus BQ is 75 upon root 3. So here the LCM will be root 3. LCM will be root 3. Here we will multiply by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and therefore that will be 75 into 3. And so it will be 75 into 3, that will be 225 plus 75. And so which is equal to, that will be 300 upon root 3. And friends, 300 upon root 3, rationalize, and you will get it as 300 multiply the numerator by root 3 and also the denominator by root 3. So root 3 into 3 will be 3. So 3 ones are 3, 300 are 300. So which is equal to 100 root 3. And therefore the distance between the two men is 100 root 3 meter. But here you can solve it in a different way also. How you can solve? Here you can solve this further, that instead of doing this way, you can rationalize here only, and you will get BQ, which is equal to 75 root 3 upon 3, and that will be 325s are 75, so that will be 25 root 3, and then PQ, which is equal to PB plus BQ, and which is equal to, this one is PB that we have got as 75 root 3. So 75 root 3 plus BQ, that is 25 root 3. And so that is equal to 75 into 25, that is 100 root 3 meter. And therefore the distance between the two men is 100 root 3 meter. I think this way is the better than this one. So you can follow either way. This is also correct and this is also correct. Now move to the another question. Friends, here is the question on the screen. As observed from the top of a 70-meter high lighthouse, from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Friends, here in the question it is given that AB is a lighthouse whose height is 75 meter, and C and D are the two ships exactly behind one another, and the foot of the lighthouse and the two ships are in a straight line, and someone from the top of the lighthouse is observing the ship D and ship C. When a person from the top of the lighthouse observes the ship D, the angle of depression is formed. This is the straight eyesight. When someone looks in a downward direction, the angle of depression is formed, and in this case that angle of depression is 30 degrees. When that person observes the C ship, then the angle of depression formed is 45 degrees. This is given in the question. But we know that this is a straight eyesight and this is the sea level, or you may say it is a ground. So these two are parallel, and these two are the parallel lines, and AD is a transversal. Then this angle and this angles are the alternate interior angles. So when this angle is 30 degree, this angle will also be 30 degree. Similarly here, this angle is 45 degree, and this is the straight eyesight and this is the sea level. These two are parallel to each other, so AC will be a transversal, and therefore this angle and this angle, these two angles will be alternate interior angles. So this is 45 degree, so this will also be a 45 degree. So this much is given to us. Now here you see that the two right triangles are formed. One is ACB and another is ADB. With the help of these two triangles, we will find the distance between the two shapes. Let the distance between the two shapes be x. And now first we will take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, here we have tan 45 is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side, that is 75, upon adjacent side is BC. Upon adjacent side is BC. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to 75 upon BC. So cross multiply, take BC to this side. So it will be BC is equal to 75 meter. So let this be equation number 1. So this BC we have got at 75 meter. Correct. Now we will take the triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, we have tan 30, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is 75 and adjacent is x plus 75, because this total distance, this is x and this is 75 meter. So total will be x plus 75 meter. So tan 30, that is equal to 75 upon x plus 75 meters. So solve this further. Put the value of tan 30, that tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So which is equal to 75 upon x plus 75. Now cross multiply. So it will be x plus 75, which is equal to 75 root of 3. 75 into root of 3. Now take this 75 to this side. I solve here. So it will be x is equal to x is equal to 75 root 3 minus, we are taking 75 to this side, so plus 75 will become minus 75. So take 75 as a common factor, so it will be 75 into root 3 minus 1. If you put the value of root 3 as 1.73, then it will be 1.73 minus 1. 1.73 minus 1, that is 0.73. So it is 75 multiplied by 0.73. Now find the product of 75 into 0.73, and that product is 54.75 meter, and therefore the distance between the two ships, that is C and D, is 54.75 meter. So at the end write the answer. The distance between the two ships, that is equal to 54.75 meter. So friends, here today we have discussed 2 more questions, and this was the part 10. So in all the part 10s we have up till now discussed 20 questions. We will once again come with a new part, and again we will discuss 2 questions. I hope today you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.